is famous for kangaroos? Question number 2. What did Captain James Cook find? Answer. When Captain James Cook landed in Australia, he found a group of strange animals. Question number 3. What did he want to know? Answer. He wanted to know about the name of the strange animals he found there. Question number 4. What did the native answer? Answer. The native of the place answered kangaroo. Question number 5. What does the word kangaroos mean? Answer. In their native language, kangaroo means I don't know. Question number 6. Baby kangaroos are carried by dash. Answer. Their mother in a pocket of skin. Question number 7. What does the mother use to carry her babies? Answer. The mother kangaroo uses her skin pocket to carry her babies. Question number 8. Where is the skin pocket on her body? Answer. The skin pocket is on the lower half of her body. SGP 2. Question number 1. Name 2 kinds of kangaroos. Answer. The name of the 2 kinds of kangaroos are Olawe and Forester. Olawe is as big as dash. Answer. Olawe is as big as a rabbit. How tall is a forester? About dash. Answer. The forester is nearly 2.5 meters tall. Its weight is about 90 kilograms. Question number 4. What does a kangaroo do with its hind legs? Answer. The kangaroo uses its hind legs to stand upward. Question number 5. Kangaroo has a long and powerful tail. How does it use it? Answer. Kangaroo has a long and powerful tail. It uses it to balance itself when standing. The tail also gives it an extra push when jumping and moving. Question number 6. What distance does a kangaroo walk in each leap? When does a kangaroo take long walk? Answer. Normally a kangaroo walks from 2 to 3 meters with each leap. The kangaroo takes long hops when it is in a hurry or in danger. SGP 3. Question number 1. What do kangaroos eat? Answer. Kangaroos eat mainly vegetables. Question number 2. How long do kangaroos live? Answer. Kangaroos generally live for 15 years. Question number 3. Kangaroos in groups are called dash. Answer. Kangaroos in groups are called groups. Question number 4. What is the size of a moose? Answer. Many years ago, the moose used to be made of thousands of kangaroos. Nowadays, the moose of even 100 is usually large. Question number 5. Why do train kangaroos do in circus? Answer. The train kangaroos do many interesting things. They walk using globes and become interesting circus and fill in the blanks. Number 1. Kangaroos are usually found in Australia. Baby kangaroos are carried by their mother. Number 3. The great kangaroo forester is nearly 2.5 meters tall. Number 4. A kangaroo stands on its hind legs. Question number 5. Kangaroos eat mainly vegetables. Number 6. A group of kangaroos living together are called herds. Number 7. Trained kangaroos dash in circles. Fox. Complete the following diagram using idea of helpbox. Helpbox DIG. The HGP1 digital name. Marsupial. Ladies. HGP2 ray. Conjugula. Kinds. Heron. Legs. HGP3. 4 circles and nodes. Your teacher will read out some statements on kangaroos, some are true, whether or not true. Like T for a true statement and NT for a not true statement in use. Number I. The word kangaroo means I don't know in English. Not true. Double I. The pocket of skin is on the lower half of the mother kangaroo's body. True. Triple I. 100 to 1000 kangaroos live in a mob. True. IV. Kangaroo uses its tail to balance itself when standing. True. V. Kangaroos cannot be trained for circus. Not true. A forester is bigger than a lion. True. EAA. Kangaroos live for 50 years. Not true. Session 5. Vocabulary. An Englishman and a person from England. A person born in India is an Indian. He or she is a native. Use dictionary and find out what the people of these countries are called Australia, Australia, Germany, German, Japan, Japanese, America, American, Russia, Russian, Holland, Dutch, Switzerland, Swiss, Denmark, Denmark. A. Match the words in A with their opposite words and write the serial numbers of A in the boxes of native. For example, famous, infamous, in, for front, danger, safety, interesting, uninteresting, useful, unuseful, sorry, useless, useful, useless. See, the word useful is made of two words, you and full. Last I in full is dropped when it is added to another word. Example, helpful, faithful, thankful. Some other changes in the spelling of will take place. Example, beauty plus full equal to beautiful. Great plus full equal to grateful. Join the following words and write them in the space provided. Then check the spelling of the following words with the dictionary. Sorrow plus full. Sorrowful. Spoon plus full. Spoonful. Skill plus full. Skillful. Hope plus full. Hopeful. Forget plus full. Forgetful. Will plus full. Willful. Session 6. The wallaby, for example, is as big as a rabbit. We can also write the sentence as the wallaby is big like a rabbit. As big as has equal meaning to big like. Uses as in place of like and rewrite the following sentences. Number 9. Coconut tree is tall like palm tree. Answer. Coconut is as tall as palm tree. Double A. Coconut is white like snow. Answer. Coconut is as white as snow. Triple A. A rhino is big like an elephant. Answer. A rhino is as big as an elephant. Ivy. The sea is blue like the sky. Answer. The sea is as blue as the sky. B. The jackal is clever like the fox. Answer. The jackal is as clever as fox. I. The deer doesn't run fast like a kangaroo. Answer. The deer doesn't run as fast as a kangaroo. B. Double A. Gold is not useful like iron. Answer. Gold is not as useful as iron. Session 7. Write answers to the following questions. How did kangaroo get its name? Answer. An Englishman, Captain James Cook, once landed in Australia. He saw a group of strange animals. He asked the natives its name. He said kangaroo. Kangaroo means I don't know in his native language. From this, the kangaroo got its name. How were the baby kangaroos carried? Answer. The mother kangaroo has a pocket of skin of the lower half of her body. Kangaroo carried her baby in a skin pocket. Name the different kinds of the kangaroos. Who is bigger? Answer. There are different kinds of kangaroos. One is wallaby and other is forester. Forester is bigger than wallaby. Question number 5. What does a kangaroo do with its hind legs? Answer. A kangaroo has very large hind legs. He stands up on the ground. B. How is kangaroo's tail useful? Answer. The tail of kangaroo is very useful. It helps kangaroo to balance itself while standing. It also gives an extra push while jumping and leaping. VI. When does a kangaroo hope faster? Answer. A kangaroo hopes faster when it is in a hurry or in danger. VW. How many kangaroos live in a group? What do they eat? Answer. Long ago, a group of kangaroos was made up of thousands of kangaroos. Nowadays, a group of kangaroos is at most consists of 100 of kangaroos. They mainly eat vegetables. Which kangaroos work in circus? What do they do? Answer. Trained kangaroos work in circus. They do interesting things in circus. Sometimes they box using clubs. B. The sentence below were about kangaroo. On top of each sentence is under A and the other part is under B. Put the number in brackets and match them. A रे द्यायचे kangaroos live mostly in Australia. B. 2. Mother kangaroo carries her babies in a pocket of skin on her body. There are many kinds of kangaroos such as the wallaby and the forester. Number 4. The forester is bigger than the wallaby. Number 5. A kangaroo has very large hind legs and a long powerful tail. Number 6. They help him in standing, jumping and leaping. Number 7. Kangaroos eat mainly vegetables. Number 8. They live for 15 years. Number 9. Kangaroos love to live together in groups. Number 10. Trained kangaroos do interesting things in circus. C. Now write a paragraph on the kangaroo using the 10 sentence you have read. The kangaroo. Kangaroos live mostly in Australia. Mother has very large legs and a long powerful tail. They help him in standing, jumping and leaping. for 15 years. Kangaroos love meals to live together in groups. Trained kangaroos do interesting things in circus. D. We read about Captain James Cook in our lesson. Captain Cook was a famous explorer. Vasco Gama was a famous European explorer. He lived in Portugal about 500 years ago. The king of Portugal promised him both ships and money for a voyage to India. So Vasco da Gama set out for India in 1497. It took about 6 months to reach the west coast of